Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to take a look at how to install themes in your WordPress website. So if you don't know, this is a WordPress series for beginners, targeted toward absolute beginners. If you don't know how to create a website, this is a series which will help you create websites. And in the first video we talked about how to install WordPress. In the second video we talked about how to secure a website and how to secure how to show a connection is secure right here. And in this third video of the series we're going to talk about how to install and activate themes on your WordPress website. So we are here and we are here on the site which we created, that is youtube.creatorgoals.com. All you need to do is press wp admin. You have to add wp admin after your URL, and if you're already logged in, which in my case, as you can see, howdy admin, I'm already logged in. Okay, so we will go to appearance and here we have themes. In this you can see we already have 4 themes. So this is called 2020, which we are using, and this is a default theme. Once you install WordPress, this is a default theme you will get. This is called Sinatra. Okay, Sinatra. This is 2019, this is 2017. If you want, you can just go ahead and take a look at, you can press on this add new theme. And now you have 2 options. If you know the theme name, so for example, I know the theme name, so I'm just going to type it. But if you don't know the theme name, you can browse from this feature section and you can see there are a lot of great themes. And if you like something, for example, if you like this one, you can just go ahead and activate it, install it, and then activate it. Also, you can go to the feature filter, what you want. You want a theme for blog, e-commerce, education, entertainment, food and drink, holiday, news, photography, portfolio, anything. In this case we want blog, so it's just going to filter it using blog. And these are the website, these are the themes which will make a great blog site. Although, just to be clear, you can use any theme to create any kind of website. So for example, you can these kind of blog templates to create an e-commerce website. But if you really know how to do it, you can just take any theme, even this 2020 theme, and make it look fantastic. So that's totally up to you. But since this course is targeted toward beginners, I'm going to use a different theme which I already know. It's called Hastia. And Hastia is a really great theme. I usually install it every time, because if I'm troubleshooting a website or if I'm just starting a website, I just like to install Hastia because it's really great and it have all the basic features. So once everything is installed and everything is working perfectly with Hastia, if I want, I can just go ahead and change the theme easily. So that's why I use Hastia. So we installed it. Now let's go ahead and activate it. It will take some seconds and it will activate the theme. Okay, so now we see the active theme is Hastia, and this was our previous theme. Let me just go ahead and duplicate it and reload it. So as you can see, this is our new website. It already looks better, but I will show you some tricks to make it look fantastic, because that's what we are after. So currently both of them are like not so good, I would say. So let's go to the customize. If you press the customize button right here, I will close it because it's gone. If you press on the customize button right here, you have a ton of options. One more thing you have to note, that some themes come with plugins, like they need some plugins to function properly. So we installed Hastia, and Hastia needs a plugin called OrbitFox Companion. So you just need to click on it, and once you click on it, it will install and activate by itself. So you don't have to do much. It will just take some seconds. It's going to pull all the files, install it, and then it is going to activate it. Okay, it's activating it. Now since we have OrbitFox companion installed and the basic requirement of the theme is met, some of the themes will give you in the appearance menu, they will give you something like install plugins and install add-ons like this, and if you click on it, it will give you a list of all the plugins which you need to install in order to make this theme work. So I really like Hastia because it only have one plugin and one plugin to install, and you just click on it and it have already installed it. One more thing I would like to do is go to homepage settings, and here as you can see, if you press your latest post, it will show all your latest post or your blog, what we were saying previously. This was basically it, your latest post. But now since we have installed OrbitFox companion, we have the option to choose a static page, and on the static page you can see there are already some options and it really looks great. So let's go ahead and do it. I'll just publish it and I will have a quick look on it. So let me just go ahead and visit site. Okay, so this already looks better than what we had in the previous one. Now it's time to customize all of these. Change in customizer, it literally says change in customizer, change in customizer, change in customizer. Okay, so now let's go ahead, go back and go to front page sections. You have this big title section. This is the big title section, and the second one is called features. So this is your feature section, and you still have about, you have team, you have a little bit of ribbon if you want. You can put your client testimonials. You also have a client bar if you wish to add some. If you have a newsletter, you can use this subscribe section, and if you want your blog content to be shown on the first page, you can use this blog section. You also have the contact section. So let's go ahead and customize it one by one. First of all, we'll go to the big title section and we will change it. What should I change it with? YouTube blog for assassinghost. And as you can see, it will change everything in the real time, but if you don't press publish, your website will still look the same way. But once you press publish, it will update instantly. YouTube blog for assassinghost. So for example, if you want to add something, you can just go to this text and write here youtube.com/assassinghost, and if you write it, it will show it right here. And if you don't want anything to be shown here, it is taking some time to render it. Okay, so it took some time. It don't usually take some time, but this time it did. I don't know why, but as you can see, we have the text right here. If you don't want to show this text, you can just go here and erase it. If it's empty, it won't show here. Now it's time for me to change the button text, and I will say go to my channel, or I can just say CHANN channel link, and I can go ahead and press my channel link right here, https://youtube.com/assassinghost. Now we need to change this background, so we'll just click on change image, and if you want, you can just go to Unsplash, and on Unsplash you can find something called technology. So let's look for some images. I think I will put this image. Also be sure while downloading images from the internet, if it's like really large. So for example, the original size, let's take a look at the original size. Original size is 1.3 megabytes, and this is really large because when some user with slow internet is loading your website and the image on the front section is really large, they will have some problem, like they will have hard time loading it. So I'm just going to download the medium one, because medium one is still 920 by 1080. Okay, so we now have two options. The first one is you can just simply click on this change image, and you can go here and upload a file. Once you upload it, it will be here, and you can just choose image and it is going to upload it. Really simple. But if you have the image address, so for example I have the image address, I can also go to change image, and in upload files, like it's not giving it here, but you can also just provide the link, image link, and it will work just fine. So I really like this keyboard. I will just go and publish it. One more thing we need to do is this pink color. I don't like the pink color here, so I'm just going to appearance settings, and here you can see the colors, and the accent color is currently pink, as you can see, but we can just go ahead and make it red, or we can make it, let me see, nah, not black, red will be red will do. Okay, so red looks fantastic. Now let's head over to the second section where it says why our product is best. Go to front page sections, go to features, why our product is best, why you should subscribe to me. Yeah, that's a really great question. And for section subtitle, I'm just going to leave it. And in the first feature, we have multiple options. The first one is we can select the icon, and in the icon, these are basically FAFA icon, which if you're not familiar with icon set in the website design community, then you won't know a lot. But in this case, let me see, I will put video, and let me choose a color, maybe red again, and I'll name it high quality videos, and I will leave it right here. Lorem ipsum is good, and if you want it to point to some link, you can just send it to some link. I think I should do https://youtube.com/assassinghost, copy, and in the second tab, okay, so we need to go to the feature 2. We have 3 features right here. Feature 1, this is the one. Feature 2, this is the one. And feature 3, this is the one. So I will go to the second feature. I will choose an icon, which will be WordPress in this case, and I will name it something like WordPress tutorials, and again the link will be same. Now let's head over to tutorials, RIALS, and for the third, let me see, what can I put here? Instant reply support. Yes, support looks fine, and for the link I'm still going to put the same thing. So now we have the 3 reasons why you should subscribe me. We did a typo, SUBSCRIBE. Don't mind me, as I always do typos if I'm making a tutorial, but not every time. I'm just going to leave this about team. I don't have currently a team, so I will let it go. And we do have a ribbon, and as you can see, this ribbon has a cool effect where the background image will just slide past it. I will go and change the image to something relevant. Let me see what I can choose. Let me go here, and again I'm just going to use the medium one because medium one is also great. And let me just go ahead and upload it right now. The upload is done. Subscribe to my channel. If this is already not clear, I'll just go ahead and publish it. What clients say? I don't have clients. Client bar, no. Subscribe to our newsletter, we already did it. And for the blog, I will just change the subtitle in the customizer. Latest blog post. Number of items to display, I think I will go with 9. We currently don't have 9 posts, we only have this one hello world default post, so it's showing me 1, but as we have more posts and if we had 9 posts, it would show up here. Now for the contact, let me again go ahead and download a new image for it. This looks great. Like, this is not the most relevant image for the contact section, but it still looks great. So I will just go ahead and change the image, upload file. Oh, it was still downloading. Oh no, yes, it was still downloading. So this is the one we want. We accidentally uploaded 2 similar images, but that's okay because we have unlimited bandwidth on our hosting, so it don't matter. Okay, so it has finally been uploaded. It was 568 kilobytes and still it took this much time. I don't know why. Yeah, it does looks good. Get in touch. Join my Discord, Discord, or comment. Join my Discord, yes, of course, Discord, or simply comment your queries. Find us at the office. I don't have an office. Give us a ring. Michael Jordan. If you want to edit this content, you need to go to contact content and then click here. Here you can see, I'll just leave it right here, although I will just change it to be assassin ghost and press publish. So as you can see, it says assassin ghost, some random number right here. And one more thing we want is we need a contact us form. So the reason why I choose Hastia is because, as you already saw, we have these kind of options pre-baked in, and it took us like 5 minutes, and this website is already looking great. And it also have all the features. So for example, you want a contact form, you can come here and just press on install and activate WP Forms. It will install it and it will activate it. Everything for us. Like, if you are a beginner, of course, then this theme is a real time saver and this will be really helpful. So now it have installed, it have activated it, and it also reloaded our page, and you can see we now have a contact us form right here, and it also published it. It did everything for us basically. So this is it, and let's just take a look at how this site looks. So basically this was how it looked, and now let's take a look at how it looked now. So now, as you can see, YouTube blog for Assassin Ghost, channel link. If I press it, I will just go directly to my channel. Okay, so as you can see right here, we currently have 1.01 subscribers, 1.01k subscribers. You can go ahead and of course subscribe it. And why you should subscribe me? Because high quality content, WordPress tutorial and support and lorem ipsum. Subscribe to my channel, blogs, get in touch. And as you can see, it took us like literally 5 minutes, and our site is looking like a professional website. And the best part is that this theme is also responsive, so you don't have to make it responsive. You don't have to do anything manually. As you can see, if you open it on a phone, you will see everything just scales correctly. Now it's time for us to go ahead and make some more modifications. So as you can see on the top here, we have YouTube blog and we have our menu. But if you go right here, you will see it says blog, home, sample page, and it's jumbled up. So where do you change the menu from? If we go back to our dashboard, here we have the menu section. Let me first just go ahead and take a look at all my pages, because I'm sure there is something called sample pages. Oh yes, we have a sample page, we have home page, and we have blog page. So I'm just going to delete this sample page. I will move it in trash by clicking right here, and now I will just reload this page once more so it don't get the sample page right here. So we can see we already have a menu with home and blog. I actually want this to be the primary menu, and I want it also to be the footer menu, because the footer menu, if you can see clearly, it is blog, home, and sample page, but it should be home blog. So I will just save the menu, and once I do that and I reload my website, you can see on the top menu it's correct, and in the bottom menu it's also correct. Okay, so this was basically how you can do all of these. In next video we'll take a look at how to basically hide this HTML developed by theme aisle and do some more modifications. And this video is already long. If you really like it and you want to see more of my videos, be sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.